Hi, I am Laura from Elevera Health. We care for patients across many stages of their health journey, from medical weight loss and hormone optimization to everyday wellness and acute concerns. When you're managing your health proactively, access to care matters. And when you're not feeling well, convenience alone isn't enough. You need thoughtful medical guidance from a provider who understands your full clinical picture. Telehealth sick visits allow Elevera Health patients to receive medical evaluation and guidance for common acute concerns without unnecessary delays or exposure. These visits are ideal for many routine illnesses and symptom-based concerns, and they integrate seamlessly into your existing care plan. For patients on GLP-1 medications or participating hormone optimization, continuity of care is essential. Acute illness, dehydration, nausea, or medication interactions can directly impact progress and safety. Because Elevera Health already understands your medications, dosing, and overall wellness goals, telehealth sick visits become a natural extension of your ongoing care, not a disconnected encounter. Unlike traditional urgent care or virtual platforms, Elevera Health approaches sick visits within a broader medical framework. We consider your metabolic health, hormone balance, current therapies, and long-term goals before making recommendations. Telehealth sick visits are one component of the Elevera Health Wellness Care membership. This membership is designed to support patients beyond prescriptions, providing access, guidance, and continuity throughout the year. This model allows us to practice medicine the way it should be practiced: proactively, thoughtfully, and in partnership with our patient. During a telehealth sick visit, we'll review your symptoms, medical history, and current treatments. When appropriate, prescriptions are sent directly to your pharmacy, and you'll receive clear guidance on follow-up, monitoring, or escalation of care. Telehealth sick visits are not about replacing traditional care, they're about enhancing it. By integrating acute care into our medical weight loss, hormone, and wellness ecosystem, we ensure patients feel supported no matter what arises. At Elevera Health, we offer telehealth-based weight loss and wellness support personalized to your goals. If you're ready to kickstart your journey, follow for more tips and visit our website to get started.